Okay, so here is some true wireless earphones from Blitzwolf, sold by Banggood.com, and I have links down below in the description text where you can buy this, with also some promo code, so go check that out. But let's unbox this and then later on try this, and last in this video we will see some specs about this, so hang on. Okay, so let's open this box. Nice, quite nice packaging. Here we have, I think, the earphones itself in the charging box, and here we have some information, user manual, and so on. And here we have something else, probably some earbuds in different sizes and so on. Here we have the earbuds, as you can see. Small to large is my guess. That's nice. So here they are, quite hard to get them out, but here they are. Two sizes, as you can see, and here we have probably a charging cable, and the charging cable is a micro USB in that end, and a normal USB type A in this end. So let's see how the earbuds itself looks like by opening this charging case. A really nice charging case, as you can see. And here we have the earbuds that automatically charges when you have them in this case, and they automatically is on too when taking them out. And you can actually use these with Siri too on your iPhone, so that's pretty nifty. Nice. So the charging case looks nice, plastic, and these earbuds feels a bit heavy though, but let's see how they feel when you have them in your ear, and then later on we will see some specs. Okay, so here I have the earbuds, the Bluetooth earbuds from Blitzwolf in my ears. Pretty comfortable to have in your ear, exactly as this. And when you take them out, you can see that they have a pin at the top that make them fit your ear perfectly nice, because that pin at the top makes it very stable, so you don't lose or drop the earbud from your ear. And the charging case here, when you open that charging case and put the earbuds back into it, the left one there, then that one disconnects from your phone, in my case the iPhone XS Max, and when I put the other one in the box, that one disconnects. So you can pair both of these to your phone, so you have two connected Bluetooth devices at the same time. So when putting one out and put that in your ear, a voice says that it's connected, and you can use that one for mono sound. But if you take both of these out from the box and put them in your ear, then you get stereo sound, and both are connected to your phone. So you can either use them separately for mono sound, left or right, and you can use both of them for stereo sound. So that's pretty nifty, I guess. So pretty nifty functions, works kind of great actually. And you can see here when on the box when they are charging, these are green when they are fully charged. So all in all, very functional earbuds, true wireless earbuds. So these earphones I can highly recommend for that. The sound quality though is kind of at the lower end actually, kind of tinny bass and so on. So the sound quality is not the greatest on these ones. So but if you want to have true wireless headphones, these can be an option actually. So now let's see some specifications. Okay, so here we see the Blitzwolf BW-FYE1 TWS True Wireless Earphone Stereo Headphones with a charging box from Blitzwolf, sold by Banggood.com, and you have some promo codes down below in the description text, so go check that out. And here we have some images that you can see about these, and the charging box and how to wear them. And here is what's in the box that you saw when I did an unboxing of it. So scrolling down, we see a movie about it, and we have some images about it. Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless earbuds. That's nice. Waterproof. So that's nice. Different specs about speeds and so on. And some images about the stereo sound quality and so on. And the charging box and how to use it and so on. And you have the charging lights at the front, as you can see. So there you can see when they are charged. And as you can see, playback time about 3 hours. 3 hours calling time. 77 hours standby time, and total playback time when using the charging box 12 hours. That's nice. And fast charging time, you can charge the earbuds about 1.5 hour, the battery case 1.5 hour, so very good. And we have, you can share the earbuds with others if you want to listen to the same thing. And here you see an iPhone together with this, so that's nice. You can't see the battery life in the settings on the iPhone, but you can always see that on the charging case. So to see how much battery life you have left, you use the charging case for that. So that's nice. Noise cancelling, that's nice. And they fit your pockets easily. And here you can see how you can use Siri and so on. You can play pause with one tap on the button. You can wake up Siri by double press the multifunction button. And you can answer call by pressing one time, read a call, and so on, as you can see here. So Siri is quite nice to have on third-party earphones actually. So that's nice. Very nice. So I like them a lot, and here you have some different models of it. So these ones are the one there, and then you have these 2, 4, and 5. So different models. This looks pretty nifty, really cool. Okay, so and here you have the specs of them and so on. So nice. So again, go check the links down below in the description text to where you can buy these, and you also have a promo code from me there, so go check that out. Okay, bye.